In this Agile Store Locator lead form tutorial, we'll be covering most of the major aspects of lead form and how to add shortcode and display it on the website. Are you excited? Let's get started. Before we dive into lead form and create a page for lead form and submit it, let's first search stores based in New York. And let's also see their email address to which we could get emails once the lead form is submitted. If you're confused right now, no worries. We'll guide you step by step in this tutorial. To add a shortcode of lead form, we'll need a page for it. Let's create a new page. And we're gonna add lead form shortcode there. To save a time, I've already written the shortcode. Let's copy the shortcode and paste it here. To display the lead form, we'll first write ASL_lead form and has two attributes. Number 1 is the radius. If we select radius attribute of 100, and once any prospect fills the lead form, the stores that are present within the radius of 100 will get notified. Number 2, country. If we want to put the restriction that only specific country stores get notified when any prospect fills the form, we use country attribute. Last but not least, to display lead form on the website, we'll need to enable the lead form button. Go to the Agile Store Locator plugin and click on the ASL settings. Once you arrived at the dashboard, click on the Register and Leads tab. Enable the notification address and also add your email that you wish to receive lead form emails. Remember that once prospect fills and submits the lead form, the email sent to both stores that are within the radius of 100 and also this email address, it will receive a copy of the lead form email as a CC mail address. Now let's visit the page that we've created for lead form and add the relevant details. Let's submit the details and see whether we're getting lead emails in stores that are within the radius of 100 and inside the United States and CC email. Here you can see we got lead form emails on our store's email that are within the radius and the email address that I've added in the email notification field in the Register and Lead tab. That's all from this tutorial. We hope you like it and try this feature for lead generation. Stay tuned for more Agile Store Locator tutorials. Until then, goodbye.